Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite juice recipes. This one is made with frozen dragon fruit and pear. It is called my Pretty and Pink. You're going to love this juice. The pear is full of fiber. So to get started, it's very simple. I'm going to be using my Nama J2. I'm going to put into the hopper 2 to 3 pears. Actually, I'm going to go with 2, and then I'm going to put the frozen dragon fruit. The frozen dragon fruit is going to give it that ice cold flavor, and it's going to make it taste absolutely delicious. And the color is what makes it pretty. I'm going to put in 3 packets.
You also can add in here 1 to 2 tablespoons of date syrup to your liking.
Now I'm going to pour it into the cup. Oh, it comes out thick and slushy-like. That's what I love, adding frozen fruit mixed with fresh fruit in the Vitamix. It makes it ice cold and it gives it that extra refreshing flavor. You're going to love this treat. See, it's thick, but that's actually the way you want it. I'm going to just turn the hopper on and let it go for a bit more. So here you have the Pretty and Pink dragon fruit and pear